Welcome to Meniuu. This is your configuration center. Here, you set up and control your entire restaurant from one place. From here, you manage your menu and create POS accounts for your cashiers and waiters. You can set up your kitchen display for your kitchen staff and devices for your food runners. You can also create accounts for hosts so they can manage reservations, assign tables, and control guest flow. You can connect delivery drivers to enable delivery operations. You can also connect your social media to start selling online for pickup or delivery. Here you can define delivery fees in collaboration with your drivers. You can update your menu anytime, connect your bank account, and track your inventory. You can activate only the tools you need. If you only need one feature, you can use just that. And as your business grows, you can activate more tools at any time. This account is for configuration and control. Your team will use their own accounts to run daily operations from their own devices. You can access tutorials at any time by clicking tutorials in the top right corner or from the sidebar menu. These tutorials will guide you step by step depending on what you want to set up. Now, choose what you want to start with. You can always come back and explore the rest later.